Hello everyone and good morning. My name is Rishabh and I would like to thank you all for joining us today. We are excited to have you all for this exclusive presentation, exclusive webinar of Apparel Suite 365, an ERP solution for apparel manufacturing industries. So the presenters of the day would be Rishabh Shah, myself, heading the sales and marketing. Then we have Sangna Manohara and Purnima Samarasinghe. They will be handling the technical part for the day. So before going to the product, I would like to introduce you to my company, Propel Saga. So Propel Saga is a Microsoft solution partner company, and we empower businesses and partners within the Microsoft D365 ecosystem. We have the team of experts in Business Central, Finance and Operations, CRM, and Power Platform applications, which allows us to spread our services across the globe. Apparel Suite 365 is our flagship product, and we are the flag bearer of it. Now, let me introduce you to the flag host of the Apparel Suite 365 Soft Serve solution. Soft Serve solution is a Microsoft Dynamics partner based in Sri Lanka and soon in Dubai. They specialize in services for Business Central, CRM, finance and operations, and seamless integrations. It was their idea that to bring up this end-to-end solution for apparel manufacturing industries so that they can help the customers across the globe. And Apparel Suite 365 was developed by their in-house team. Now, the flow of the webinar would be first we'll have the introduction for Apparel Suite 365. Then we'll have the live demo where we will be showcasing the features and the capabilities. Followed by we have the Q&A session where we will be answering to all your queries. So I would like to request you to please keep your queries, hold it till the end of the session so that we can answer them at the end of the session today. Now, the agenda for the webinar. So, we know that apparel manufacturing industry is a very fast-moving industry, and the businesses today needs the real-time tracking, seamless integrations, and financials to be correct all the time. So, we have designed this Apparel Suite 365 to cater all that requirement. ApparelSuite 365 is an ISV solution built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which is enriched with the features like production lifecycle merchandising, raw material and yarn management, production and shop floor management, quality control and compliance, inventory and material planning, export and import management, with the basic ERP features like finance, purchase, sales, warehouse, and logistic as default. This makes this apparel suit a whole and all into an end-to-end solution covering the whole supply chain part of it. Now, I would like to call my co-host Asangna to come forward and we can start with the webinar for Apparel Suit 365. Over to you, Asangna.
Okay, thanks, Rishabh. Uh, so we'll move to the demo. I'll share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, good morning all. I think you all can see my screen. So this is Dynamics 365 Business Central online version. So we have developed some vertical solution for the apparel module on top of the standard Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before moving to our vertical solution, I'll explain about this Dynamics Business Central ERP system and what are the standard functions and module available in the system. So this is the initial dashboard of Dynamics 365 Business Central. Here you can see currently I am logging as accountant. So for my accountant role, you can see there are multiple finance related functions are available in here, and you can see some interactive dashboard also available. So based on your role center, this will be depend. So here you can take real-time information from this dashboard. Here you can see what your real-time ratio analysis based on the available information in the system. This is automatically updated and show the real-time information and your business performance, who are your top customers. And here you have some informative tile. Based on this tile, you can, as accountant, you can get more corrective decision using this dashboard as well. So here you can see there are multiple roles. Based on your role you can assign multiple roles for the relevant users. Here we have the accountant, business manager, inventory manager, manufacturing manager, service manager. Likewise, we can maintain the different types of roles, and we can customize our dashboard based on the relevant role as well. So here you can see there are multiple companies for the in the same database. You can maintain multiple companies in the same database. So as the specific industry, you may have multiple companies, and you may conduct the consolidation, intercompany transaction as well. So in the finance module, these all functions are available in the finance module. Here you can see in the finance module, you can get the VAT statement, then the GL accounts all are available. Intercompany module, and also the uh, consolidation. Also, you can perform one single button. You can run the consolidation for the all available companies in the system as well. And here you can see the fixed asset module also available. So this is about the finance module, and here I'll change my role center as service manager. So in the standard uh, 365 ERP system, you have finance module, job module, manufacturing module, inventory management, customer relationship management, service module. All are embedded in the standard solution. And here I'll look at the service manager pro center. So then you can see what are the functions available for the service manager. Okay. Okay, now I am looking as the service manager. So now you can see my dashboard also change as per my role center. Now system will reflect you the service related, service management related dashboard tiles, activities, all information will be loaded based on my selected role center. Here you can see I can link my Power BI report into this dashboard as well to get more interactive and more informative data in real time basis. So you can see service management related in my service management related dashboard. The applicable information will be automatically loaded, and all the function related to the service management. You can maintain service code, service orders, likewise. So this is about the standard functionalities. And here you, when you click the all reports, you can view all the embedded standard reports available in the system for the individual module. Here you have the finance related report. Here you have the marketing, manufacturing related report, purchasing related report, inventory and warehouse related report, project related report, sales and marketing related report. All standard reports can view in this single dashboard. So this is about the standard functionality. So here you have the finance module, including intercompany consolidation, fixed asset management, and you have the service management module. You have the job module, that means the project module, and you have the manufacturing module, inventory management, sales, purchasing, all are embedded, including CRM also embedded in this standard solution. And based on top of this standard system, we have developed some vertical solution for the apparel industry. So today we are going mainly focus about the apparel industry. So let's go to the apparel demonstration. So now I am logging as I previously shown you. Now I am logging as the apparel profile admin. So once I log as the apparel profile admin, you can see Here, apparel related modules are automatically loaded in my dashboard. Here you have the merchandising module, stores module, inspection, cutting, embellishment, all apparel related modules are loaded in my role center. And this is not specific for the role center. You can personalize your dashboard, your activities based on your user login as well. For individual user, you can customize, you can personalize your screen, you can get the relevant information your for your initial dashboard based on your user as well. So we'll start with the merchandising module. So when I am click the merchandising module, you can see the merchandising related activities will be automatically populated in my dashboard. Here we are starting from the style. So we have already integrated some normally in your business practices, style may be created in another system, and you may require to transfer style from the created system to BC as well. So we have already integrated like FR system with the BC. So when you are creating style in the FR system, that will be automatically loaded in the BC system. So that functionality, that integration also possible. And here, without any integration, you can uh, create the relevant style in the same BC environment as well. So here, when you click the active style list, you can see there are multiple styles that I have load some sample styles in this environment. So you can see all the uploaded styles are available in here. So I'll go to one style. So I come to the style card view from the style list view. So here you can see all the style related information will be available in here. So you can integrate with some your another system to BC, then it will be automatically created from automatically transferred from the relevant system. Otherwise, you can easily create the with pressing this new button, you can easily create a new style and you can start your activities from here. So here you have another option to upload the style template via the Excel template here. So here you have the action button, import style details. Then you can select the relevant Excel template. We have developed some pre-generated template to upload the style. So you can easily enter the relevant style master related information in this Excel template, and you can easily upload that Excel template into the system via the provided link. So once you select the relevant file path, that will be automatically uploaded into the system. So that is about the style master creation. So using one single click, you can press the new button and you can enter the relevant data. Otherwise, you have the Excel file upload facility. Otherwise, you have the option to integrate another system with the BC system. Then it will be automatically transfer the relevant style master related data to BC system. These all functions are available in this uh, vertical solution. And once you upload the style, you can evaluate this style whether the informations are the accuracy of the information. You can evaluate here. You can evaluate all the relevant information and the accuracy of the related information. Here you can see the basic style related information. Then what are the versions, and is there are any special operation that also able to link with the relevant style. So if the style is okay, you can just confirm the style. Then you can proceed with the remaining function of the merchandising module. So once you upload the style and confirm the style, you have the option to upload your customer order file. That means the order file which you receive from your customer in regarding to the specific style. Here you can see all the uploaded uh, style wise customer order file. I'll click some order file here. You can maintain the delivery as well. Here you can see you can maintain garment size wise order quantity in here, version wise, garment size wise, order quantity you can mention in here. So here also you have the option to create new customer order file using this new button in the system. Otherwise, you have the option to upload the relevant uh, order file via the Excel template as well. So we have same as the style master, we have created some Excel template for customer order file. Here you can see the style number, item number, and the customer contract number. That means the contract number given by customer, then the delivery number, delivery date, and the delivery wise, size wise, order quantity you can mention in here. And once you complete the customer order file, you can easily upload using this action import PCCR detail option. So once you complete this import function, system will automatically capture the customer order information and it will be automatically linked to the relevant style as well. I will show some already uploaded information. Once I complete the order file uploading process, you can see customer contract wise, delivery number wise, order quantity will be automatically uploaded. And you can see you can link the relevant bulk PCD date, size PCD date, destination, original delivery date, and if you require to revise the delivery date, you can revise the delivery, relevant delivery date. All the information you can track from the relevant style card, and in the PCCR, that means the customer order file information list, you can view the garment size wise quantity as well. So here you can see individual garment size wise, version wise, customer requested quantity in here. So once you complete the active style style master creation, PCCR creation, then you can maintain the estimate BOM. You can upload the relevant BOM. What are the relevant fabric? What are the trims? Any other material that required to prepare the finished garment, you can link in here. So I'll go to one estimate BOM. Here you can see you can link all the fabric, trim, and any other specific material which required to prepare your final garment. You can link in here, but this is not the final BOM. This is the estimate BOM. So in the ordering level, you can change your BOM. However, you have the option to upload the estimate BOM in here. So once you complete the style creation, then you can upload the PCCR, that means the order file. Then you can maintain the estimate BOM for the individual delivery level. So we have developed the estimate BOM upload, that means the BOM process for the delivery level. However, if it is not vary from the delivery level, that means if it is if you are maintaining same BOM for the style level, that also possible. However, in the solution we have separated that is up to the delivery level based on the customer preferences. However, it is also able to limit for the style level if it is not differ from the delivery to delivery. So then once you complete the estimate BOM uploading process, here you have the costing uploading process. So here you have the NSL costing option. So in here you can upload the relevant costing for the individual delivery level as well. Here also we have segregate the costing process for the delivery level as well. So however, if it is not change based on the delivery, it is up to you. As per your company requirement, we can change. We can get that for the style level, or we can get that for the PO level, or otherwise in same in here we can maintain that for the delivery level as well. So I'll go to one costing. So here you can see we have the fabric related costing information for the individual garment size group wise. You can maintain costing information. Here you have the rate in finance cost, cloth price, all the information you can capture in here and upload in here. Here you have the trim related costing information for the individual garment size group wise. And here you have the embellishment, and likewise you have the cut and make, packaging, testing related costing, upcharge if there are any upcharges related to this delivery. that also able to track. And here you have the costing summary, that means the all costing related information you can view in here. What is the total fabric finance related costing, sewing trim, embellishment, cut and make, packaging related cost information. And finally you can capture the FOB price of the individual garment based on the size group. So here once here also you have the new button to create a new costing for the individual delivery. Otherwise, same as the another function, other activities, you have Excel uploading option in here as well. You can complete this pre-generated Excel template. You can fill the relevant information here. You have the fabric related information. You can fill the relevant costing information. What are the cloth price? What is the rating and finance cost percentage? And here you have the trim related information. You can fill in here for individual subgroup wise, thread, lace, bow. Likewise, you can enter relevant allocated cost info individual subcategory level the uh, trims. And here you the later part you have uh, here you have the embellishment related cost allocation. You can mention those related cost in here. And here you can mention the relevant cut and make, packaging related cost, all the information. Once you complete this Excel, you can easily upload the relevant costing information via this upload option in the cost sheet list. So once you complete the relevant Excel upload, it will be automatically loaded as a new costing against the selected delivery in the dynamic BC system. And here you can see once you upload, you can send. This is for the approval. This is already approved. That's why the send approval button is not available reflected in here. However, if you upload the new costing, that will you can send to the approval. Then here also you have the print option as well. So I'll preview this costing. So you can export this to the PDF version, your final costing to PDF version or Excel version, Word, any kind of version. You can export this your final costing, approved costing to any selected version. In here you can see your summary costing will be loaded in this PDF format as well. So once the relevant party approved the relevant costing, then you can continue the raw material ordering process. So to order the relevant material, that means the relevant item which you have mentioned in the estimate BOM, to continue your production process, you first you have to upload the style master, then you can upload the relevant customer order file, then you can upload the estimate BOM. It is up to you. You can upload the estimate BOM in the estimate BOM level. Otherwise, in the ordering level also, you can able to change or amend your BOM as well. Then you can upload your finalized costing. Once the costing is approved, then you can continue with the ordering process. Here we have the ordering BOM. So I'll go to recently created ordering BOM. That is my I'll pick my style from. I'll pick this style which I have created for my demonstration purpose. Then I'll go to my ordering BOM and I can filter for my uploaded style. So this is the ordering BOM which I have created for demonstration purpose. So if you have upload the new style master, and when you upload the relevant costing estimate BOM, then you here you can can press the new button to link the relevant style master with new ordering bomb. However, I have already created some ordering bomb, so we will continue our webinar with this already created ordering bomb. So here you can see my style number is available in here, item number is available here, and here you can see all the deliveries related to this style will be automatically loaded in this screen with the final order quantity, final garment quantity which is ordered by customer. So then I'll select one delivery, then it will be automatically loaded the estimate bomb which I have uploaded in the estimate bomb level. So here you have the option to change or delete any material item before ordering your raw material. You have the option to change your estimate bomb. So this is your final bomb. This screen load the your final bomb. Here you have system will automatically load the estimate bomb related material into here when you select the relevant delivery. But in here you have the option to change your material, delete, amend, or make any addition to your BOM as well. And once you complete your material addition, here you have the option to uh, add size sensitivity and the color sensitivity. Based on your requirement, you can add the size sensitivity. So when you add the size sensitivity, system will automatically generate the raw material for the individual garment level. That means if you have three garment sizes, uh, system, if you apply the size sensitivity function, system will automatically create uh three raw materials for this garment. That mean for the size sensitivity applied light. Otherwise, when you apply the color sensitivity, the raw material will be separated only for the color sensitivity. But if you have applied the size sensitivity, that will be separated for the individual garment level. So once you click in here relevant size sensitivity and the color sensitivity, then you can press the add sensitivity function. Based on the selected size and color sensitivity, system will loaded the relevant material to the color sensitivity tab for the selected color sensitivity related item, and the size sensitivity related item will be loaded to the size sensitivity tab. And then you can press the auto generated function. So once you press the auto generated function, it will be loaded your final screen. This is the auto generated bomb. So when you press this auto generated function, system will be match the color sensitivity and the size sensitivity. Based on the applied color and the size sensitivity, system will generate the relevant requirement, because you have upload the relevant YY, that means the relevant consumption in the costing level. So it will be loaded in here, and you have upload the relevant order quantity in the customer order file. So this is the selected quantity. So based on that, system will be automatically calculate the requirement, multiplying your garment quantity, order quantity from your booking YY. That means the relevant per unit consumption. Then here you can select the, so here you system will automatically load the requirement, but in the initial stage you may not order the total requirement from the supplier. So here you can change your requirement. So here you can see my requirement is 50.40. I have already ordered 50 yards, so now only remaining point 0.40. That's why the order quantity is loaded as 0.40. However, if there are any unordered item, you can see this order quantity will be reflected same as the requirement. However, for the each line, I have already ordered some quantity from for the each line. That's why this order quantity will show very small amount. And in the rate, based on uploaded cost sheet, system will automatically pick the per raw material rate in here, and system will automatically calculate the value also in here. And supply also loaded in here. You can change as per your requirement. If it is change at the final order level, you can change your supply in here. Otherwise, if all these informations are okay, then you can continue with the ordering process. So here you can click the relevant item which you are going to order. Then you can press write to MRP function. So once you press the write to MRP function, we have developed some automative processes which required to run the manufacturing process. So when you press this write to MRP function, we have created the production BOM. For the individual uh, finished good, we have create the relevant BOM which link with the final garment and the raw material, and it will be created automatically production order as well. And also sales order will be automatically created. You are not required to create the relevant sales order manually. System will automatically create the production BOM, production order, sales order, and also your purchase order proposal as well. That means system will not create the purchase order at this stage. System will generate some purchase order proposal at the planning worksheet. In there, you can finalize your requirement and generate the purchase order as well. So once you complete this, sorry, okay, again, sorry for that. Okay, I'll go through my ordering room again. I select my style again. And again, I come to my ordering bomb. So as I explained previously, once you press this write to MRP function, there are multiple functions will be automatically functioning in the system backend. But first one is the the relevant BOM will be automatically created. Then production order, sales orders, and the purchase order proposal will be created. So then I'll go to the purchase order proposal here in the planning worksheet. System will create the purchase order proposal. So here you can see based on the selected items, still system will be generated purchase order proposal. You can see the relevant style number, item number, PO number, lot number, relevant version, and the total uh, raw material, order quantity requirement, and unit price, and the total cost amount. So if you are okay with this system generated purchase order proposal, you can create the relevant purchase orders from here. Otherwise, you have the option to change your supplier, or you can change your cost, or you can change your quantity. But in this scenario, we have only allowed this is for the admin level, because we have already uploaded some costing in initial stage, so we cannot exceed that costing. So based on that requirement, we have restrict to change the unit cost or quantity in this stage for the low level users. However, we have provided the relevant access for the top management as per the company requirement to change the purchase order proposal in this screen. But otherwise, for the lower level users, they have to, if they are changing the unit price or something, they have to change the relevant costing or customer order file. They have to change. Otherwise, they are not allowed to change from this purchase order proposal screen. They can only review this system generated quantity and the accuracy of those system generated quantity. Then click the accept action message, and here you have the carry out action message. From here, they can make the relevant purchase order. Once you click the make purchase order button, OK button, system will automatically create the purchase order for the selected style. So then I'll go to the purchase order. So when I'll filter for recent style. So here you can see there are multiple purchase orders created based on the selected supplier. So individual supplier system will create the separate purchase order. So here you can see all the so this is raw material which I have applied the size sensitivity. That's why the system will create create the separate raw material for the individual garment sizes. If I have not applied any size sensitivity in here, uh, if I have not applied any size sensitivity in here, system will not create any separate raw material for the individual garment sizes. I'll show. So in here, we have not applied any size sensitivity. That's why system generated one raw material for all garment because I have not applied any size sensitivity, only applied the color sensitivity in here. So once system generate the relevant purchase order, here you have the option to send approval for the authorized party. Once the relevant manager or relevant department head approve the relevant purchase order, relevant user can send this purchase order for the supplier for ordering purpose. So here you have the option to get the print for the purchase order. So you can see this purchase order is not approved. That's why watermark is appeared in here as not approved. So relevant user cannot send this purchase order until the top management or relevant authorized person approve the relevant purchase order. Here you can see all the raw material related information, quantity, rate, value, and if there are any special instruction or special terms and conditions, that's also automatically loaded in here. And here you have the send option button. So you can generate the system generated email. So without making any manual email or something, you can easily send the system generated email with by automatically attaching the relevant purchase order. And you can easily send this document to your supplier using this send button. So once the purchase order is created and sent to the suppliers, then merchandising related activities will be over. Then once the raw material will be received to your location, then stores department can process the GRN activity. So in here you can see we have to, sorry, this is not yet approved. That's why it is not uh, giving me the GRN option. I'll go to already release purchase order because system does not allow to GRN this item because purchase order is not yet approved. That is system control. Yeah, I will go to already approved. This release mean this purchase order is already approved. Here you have button receive, invoice, receive and invoice. So here you can see we can maintain the segregate of duties from here. So stores department can receive this purchase order and the finance department can evaluate the three-way matching and process the invoice button. So in my view, these two functions will be available, receive and invoice, but we can allocate the stores users and the finance users. Then the stores users can only view this receive button and the finance users only can press the invoice button. But in my user login, these two options will be available, but it is not available in the relevant stores and the finance users. We can maintain the segregation of duties via the system control. So once the GRN is completed, here this one is GRN process is completed purchase order. Here you can see quantity received is 100. That means GRN is already proceed. Once I click this 100, you can automatically view the system generated GRN document in here. So I'll show that one. So this is the GRN, again the selected purchase order. Here you can see the purchase order number, and this is the raw material which I have GRN, NML, PO number, delivery number, all the information you can track in here. Otherwise, you can easily get the relevant GRN printout from the purchase order as well. Here you have the GRN report. Once I click the GRN report, then system will create the good receive not printing here. So as I explained to you, once I press the write to MRP function, system will do some system backend processes. One thing is the production order will be created. I will go to the production order. I'll go to the release production order. So you can see all the system automatically created purchase orders will be available in here. So this is my style. I will show that production order. So this is the garment size wise finished good will be automatically created in the production order, and you can see the relevant quantity, and if there are any manufactured quantity that will be loaded in finished quantity is still not there are no any finished quantities available. That's why the finished quantity column is zero. However, you can see the garment individual garment size wise production requirement will be automatically captured in here. And as I explain to you, we can see the component that means individual garment related uh, BOM in here as well. Here you can see uh, this is my selected items. This to manufacture this item, these component will be required. This will be automatically mapped when you process the write to MRP function. You are not required to create any production, BOM production order, sales order in systems. System will automatically map the relevant BOM production orders and sales order when you are pressing the write to MRP function. Here you can see quantity per, that mean your per unit consumption and the unit cost. All the information will be loaded in here. And when I am going to sales order, when I am going to sales order, here also you can see system generated sales orders for individual delivery level. System will create the separate sales order as well. So here you can see system will create the separate sales order for individual delivery level as well. Here for individual finished good, you can see what is the relevant quantity to ship. That means you have not shipped any quantity up to now. Your total order quantity required to ship. So if you have already shipped some part from this order quantity, that will be loaded in quantity shipped column. And if you have any amount is invoiced by the finance department, that will be loaded in quantity invoice column as well. So that is about the sales order creation. So as I explained, when you process the right to MRP, production order, sales order, production BOM, and the purchase order proposal will be created. And from the purchase order proposal screen, you can create the purchase orders. Then the stores department can process the GRN part. So once the GRN process is completed, then the relevant merchandiser can issue the cutting instruction for the cutting department to continue the cutting process. So here you have the cutting instruction list. So you can press this new button to issue new cutting instruction. So I have already created some cutting instruction for demonstration purpose. Here, this is the pre-generated cutting instruction. So once I click in here, you can see what is my style number, what is my item number, what is the customer order number, and the relevant delivery number, and including the relevant quantity, bulk PCD date as well. So when I select the relevant delivery, system will automatically loaded the relevant fabric to cutting instruction, not all the production raw material items related to the finished good. This will load only uh, fabric and the interlining item into the bulk CI screen. So here you can see individual raw material will be loaded with the relevant raw material number, raw material name, and the version, garment component, fabric type, and including the relevant raw material requirement. So once the stores department complete the GRN process, that will be uploaded as the GRN yards. And once the inspection process is completed, that will be loaded to the approved GRN yard. So to issue the cutting instruction, you have the relevant person should be complete the GRN process and the fabric inspection process as well. To issue the cutting instruction, you have to process the fabric inspection process via the system as well. Otherwise, merchandiser cannot issue the relevant fabric item for the cutting department for cutting activities. So here based on the approved GRN, you can see system will automatically update the cuttable percentage as well. So once the inspection process is passed based on this cuttable percentage, merchandiser can issue the cutting instruction for the cutting department. So here these are the system generated cutting instruction for individual garment. So this is the customer order quantity, but based on the inspected raw materials, is still relevant merchandiser can issue this quantity for the cutting department based on the system generated cutting CI percentage. So this is the cutting instruction page. Once the cutting instruction process is completed, that means the merchandiser can issue the relevant fabric for the cutting department. Then you can continue with the uh, cutting module related activities once the merchandiser completes the uh, CI issuing process. So then we can move to the cutting related functions available in our vertical solution. So Purnima will conduct the cutting related process. So Purnima, I'll hand over to you. You can continue with the process.
Up, Purnima is not here. Can you please check?
Hello everyone, can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Uh, Thank you for you joining today's webinar. So I'm Purnima. I will be taking you to the key functionality of the cutting module. Uh, so this is the cutting module related functions what are we using. Initiate in the active PO clubbing. So let's start with the PO clubbing. Uh, This functions allows to combine multiple POs that use the same fabric type. So I will show how to do the clubbing process. I will go to the already created club for the relevant style. In here, you can see style number related item number, and here you can see what are the POs are under the selected style. In here, you can see no not club POs, and here you can see what are the club POs are related that style. The goal is to clubbing process is to maximize fabric utilization and reduce cutting insufficiencies. So I will go to the next part of the cutting process. Once POs are clubbed, the next step is marker plan. In here, this is the already created marker plans relevant related to that style related club. Uh, in here, ensure ratio balancing of different sizes and uh, before finalize the marker layout. In here, I will show how to create the marker plan for the style. I need to select the style number and the style item number and already created club number. Once the select the club number, in here you can see club related PO detail, delivery details, and version details are automatically loaded. After that, user need to create the assign the what are the marker categories are using in the style. After that, need to do the ratio balancing. I will show how to do the ratio balancing. In here, once we create the marker category for relevant uh, related to that style, and here need to select that marker category. Once select the marker category, style related size wise quantities are automatically loaded in here. After that, user need to ratio balancing in here. Once ratio balancing is done, need to copy to marker lines in the main screen. After the copy that detail, in here user can see marker category related ratio details. After that, user need to enter the marker length. When enter the marker length in here, automatically loaded the required yardage for the relevant markers. After that, user need to enter the efficiency percentage. When after the enter that details, user need to do the summarize in relevant marker category. Once summarizing is done, automatically calculate the gross YY of this about this marker. This is the actual YY of the marker. Uh, And additionally, in here, user can assign the if using a piping fabric in the related style. In here, user can assign marker category related piping details are in here, and the remaining quantity and actual YY. Based on that values, yardage will automatically calculate. That is the process of the marker plan. In here, when the when create the marker category in here, user need to assign what are the raw materials are using in this marker category. What are the garment component are using this marker category. So in here, user can assign which raw material are assigned to that which garment component in here. That is the marker category marker plan process. Uh, this is it's important to organize pattern on fabric efficiently. It help maintain the correct ratio of different sizes and maximize fabric utilization and reducing the waste. So let's move to the next process. It is a lay plan. Now we have the marker plan. The next step is a lay plan, where we request the required fabric quantity to execute the cutting process. So I will go the lay already created lay plan. So in here, user need to select the style and the relevant club number. When once they select the club number, these details are automatically loaded in here. And what are the marker categories and what are the raw materials are using these relevant marker categories are automatically loaded in the under the layering details. Once we load the that details, uh, lay planner should need to enter the plan price amount in here. In here, automatically load the marker category related marker plan price quantity, and the user need to enter the lay planner need to enter the plan price number in here. Once the enter the that number already automatically calculate the relevant yardage for that marker category. After that, need to do the generate marker lines. Once the select the generate marker lines, automatically create the cut number. This is the cut number. Uh, this is the cut number. This number is going forward the in here. So then when want to do the request the fabric, so select the relevant markup plan and sorry, relevant line and generate SRN. Mhm. So once the generate the SRN, automatically create the trans order. In here you can see what are the already created trans orders in here. In here you can see PO number and the relevant trans order number for that POs and the quantity, requested quantity details are in here. This is the lay plan process. After the create the trans order, warehouse should be transfer the fabric to the cutting process. Uh, once the requested fabric is received in the cutting department, the next step is individual lay sheet. This in this sheet records actual layering details for each cut number. I will show the already created lay plan, lay sheet. In here, need to select the style and the relevant cut number. When they select the cut number, these data are already loaded in here. And the what are the raw materials are assigning to that raw cut number. After that, sorry, in here you can see what are the roles, fabric roles are assigned that cut number. Then in here, user need to enter the actual plan price number of the lay sheet and the shade number and the arrange order. Once enter these data, the user need to arrange the role details to order. Once they click this, automatically arrange the layered order in here. This is the individual lay sheet. In here you can get the individual lay sheet report. I will show the individual lay sheet report. This is the individual lay sheet report. In here you can see sheet style, PO, color, RN description, marker length, use layering length, yardage. These data you can see in here, and the plan price, cut number, what are the roles are using in this lay sheet, like price. After the individual lay sheet process, I will go to the next step. It is a bundle guide process. This is the final step of the cutting module. This is where the cut fabric pieces are grouped and labeled for the tracking being sent to the production department. This is helps to track WIP between the cutting and sewing. I will show the already created bundle guide. In here, bundle guide create based on the individual lay sheet number. So need to select the individual lay sheet number and we need to enter the number of components are using in this cut. So after that, when select the individual lay sheet numbers, these is data is already automatically loaded in here and the After that, need to select the load subcontract sending line. Once select that, size wise, uh, based on the ratio, uh, quanti quantities are loaded in here, and the sticker numbers are all automatically assigning that the size wise quantity. Mm. After that, select all production, all sizes, and select post to RFID. So after that, and these data are automatically loaded into the RFID system. Um, this is the that uh, end of the cutting process. So I will uh, take out to Rishabh to continue the session.
Purnima, thank you for this for this session. So now we are open for the Q&As for the Q&A session.
Rishabh,
So
I think we
Asana,
have received one question regarding the unit cost
yes.
updating process. Yeah. So for the unit cost, we can upload the unit cost as the costing level. However, you can change your unit cost at the ordering bomb level. But system will control your unit cost with the uploaded cost sheet. You cannot you can change your unit cost in the ordering bomb level, but it will be restricted from your uploaded cost sheet. You cannot exceed your uploaded cost. That mean the given cost under the cost sheet, you cannot exceed that cost. However, you can change your cost per unit cost in the ordering bomb level as well. However, you have the option to upload the default unit cost at the costing level that will be automatically loaded to your ordering bomb. But in the ordering bomb level, you can change, you can reduce, or you can increase your unit cost, but it will be controlled from your uploaded cost sheet. You cannot exceed that costing. Okay, guys, I think that's about the unit cost uploading process. And is there any other question you can raise?
So you can write down in the chat box. We can answer. We can take it from there.
Uh, have you also shown any integration with, you know, SAP or any other tool so that PO can be paid or invoice can be, generated or paid?
So Gani, I suppose this is already built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, so that all features can be covered from Central only.
Okay. No, I'm just asking, is this possible to integrate with other tools as well?
Ganesh, you mean to integrate BC with the SAP?
Yeah, I mean, connect with SAP and manage, the further finance work there. This is just regarding, managing the financial.
You mean to integrate our vertical solution with another ERP, no?
Yes.
Actually, Ganesh, this is mainly developed based on the Dynamics 365 Business Central. So this vertical solution is supported for the Dynamics Business Central uh, ERP system. But if you require to run the financial module from SAP and all other modules from the BC, I think that is that will not be possible because all the entries will be automatically passed at the time of GRN, at the time of invoicing, at the time of sales order shipment. All will be automatically double entries will be automatically generated and posted in the relevant GL accounts. However, you can extract those double entries from Dynamics BC system and you can transfer to ZAP. That can be possible.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions we have?
Can we get this recording?
Yes. So after this session, I'll be sharing this link, webinar link to you, where we can have these recordings. Also, we'll be uploading this the whole webinar session on YouTube as well, so you can watch it from there as well.
Okay, great, great. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. So, team, any other questions? Okay, team. So, if you have any questions, I'll drop my email ID on this chat box, so you can drop me the questions. Also, we'll be sharing a feedback form to align for the future respect, and we'll be sharing the webinar link with you all. Thank you all for joining us and giving your time.
Thanks all.
Thank you, Rishabh, for inviting us. Thanks all
Thanks
for
all.
thanks, Santosh. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
this time.